Dhenukasura's Tala Grove. The cowherds at Vrindavan would often long for fruits from the tala trees in grove. They also wished they could leave their cattle there to graze. But this was not possible because a Daitya, demon named Dhenuka, lived there. Dhenuka was a demon who looked almost like a donkey but ate a deer's meat. He lived in tala groves with his fellow Daityas. He was evil and ferocious. One day, the cowherds requested Krishna and Balram to get fruit from the tala grove. "Do not worry, my fellow cowherds. Krishna and I will soon get the fruits," said Balram. "Be careful, Balram. The evil demon Dhenuka, who lives there with his fellow Daityas, kicks anyone who enters the tala grove," warned the cowherds. Lord Krishna merely smiled at this, for he knew that the reason he was entering the grove was that Dhenukasura was about to die. Fight against Dhenukasura. Balram and Lord Krishna entered the tala grove. It appeared deserted. Both of them picked fruits from the trees. Suddenly, one of the fruits fell to the ground with a loud thud. The sound of the falling fruit broke the uneasy silence in the grove. This alerted demon Dhenuka, who guarded the grove. The two turned around to the sound of this thudding hooves as he came charging out. The ugly body of Dhenukasura was a hideous sight to behold. More terrifying was the angry hatred in his eyes as he charged towards Lord Krishna and Balram. "How dare you enter my grove, you foolish boys? I will destroy you," shouted the angry demon. As Dhenukasura ran towards them, Lord Krishna merely smiled as he stood fearless. Dhenukasura reached Balram first and he tried to kick him. Balram lifted him up in his hands. He then hurled the demon against the rocks and destroyed him. The Tala Grove becomes safe. As demon Dhenuka, who claimed the Tala Grove, remained motionless on the ground after Balram had attacked him, the other Daityas roared in anger. "This mere boy has killed our beloved Dhenukasura," cried one of the Daityas. "Let us teach both the boys a lesson." Saying this, all the donkey-shaped demons charged toward the two boys. As they were coming towards the two, Lord Krishna and Balram smiled at each other. "Do you wish to meet with the same end as Dhenukasura?" called out Lord Krishna. The Daityas became even more incensed at this. "We are not afraid of you, whoever you are. Our combined evil might defeat you," roared one of the bigger Daityas. But none of the Daityas survived the attack. At last, Krishna and Balram finished them off one by one. Finally, the Tala Grove was safe once again, thanks to Lord Krishna and Balram. Pralambasura abducts Balram. Meanwhile, one of Kansa's friends, an evil demon, Pralamba, soon located Lord Krishna and Balram. He disguised himself as a villager and went to Vrindavan to destroy the two brothers. He joined the other cowherds playing a wrestle match with Balram. The rule of the game was that the loser had to carry the winner on his shoulders. Pralambasura lost the game to Balram purposely. He picked Balram up and started running away from Lord Krishna and the others. His body changed back into a monstrous form as he carried Balram away. "Krishna, this demon is carrying me away. What shall I do?" cried Balram. Lord Krishna said, "Brother, you are powerful enough to defeat him." Hearing this, Balram remembered who he was and he gathered his strength to attack the villainous demon. Pralambasura's red eyes shone and with malice as he tightened his grip on Balram. Balaram kills Pralambasura. Balram struck the evil demon Pralamba on the head with all his might. Balram was also an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, just like Lord Krishna. So Balram had divine strength in his veins, and when he struck the blow on Pralambasura's head, it was like the impact of 1,000 punches. Facing such a powerful blow, the demon reeled under shock. The force of the blow was so strong that the demon fell senseless on the ground. In one mighty stroke, Balram had killed the demon. Lord Krishna said, "You are just as strong as I, brother. Never fear evil again." Balram realized his own strength and said, "Krishna, the sight of that monstrous demon was horrific, but I heard your words and realized he was no match for me." The cowherds stared at the dead demon with astonishment. They praised Balram for relieving them from the evil.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.